Just doing quick.
Stand by line, go ahead.
Can you just rock and roll! Hey, Beck, how does that sound?
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Big Bob.
Scooter?
Hey, what's happening? Rock.
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Gonzo?
Great crowd. They love my stall tactics. They can't get enough.
I'm going back in.
Here I come, girls.
Good grief, I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo,
And
actually.
how fast can I get the van here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, you should get going.
But what about all of them?
You know how we feel about our band.
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
I love that idea.
Me too. Get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
Please stow your belongings in the sister smaller rock star. Put it down on your shoulders. Everything's together. Arms, feet, everybody. Hands up. Yes. Okay. Tiene de trabajo. Antes de salir mantenga la cabeza reposada y permanezca sentado con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la cocina. Coloque sus artículos personales en el piso y asegúrese de vigilar a los niños. Gracias. Well, Mickey, here goes nothing. I believe I've fun best out the concert. Let's catch our guests at the concert. Are you?
We're gonna make this next relationship movie double the fun. My heavenly Miss Hudson, shall we begin?
Questlove, you ready?
Let's rock!
Animal, how about you?
Rock and roll with Preshow! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! monster reminds me of a roller coaster.
How's that?
It's all downhill.
You missed the sound check. It was terrible.
Really? What happened?
It worked. Statler, these seats are terrible.
Too far away?
No, not far enough. We have time to go to the bathroom before the next song?
We can't, you old fool. You're bolted to the seats.
Hey, you made it! Go ahead and grab your things and heads up to the right. Oh, enjoy the show!
Get out this thing.
Yeah, 709 maybe.
We almost did.
Sorry.
That was okay.